Hello everyone, how are you guys doing today? This is Joseph and Crystal again. We're doing another recipe for Papa Joe. Papa Joe and I both are trying to watch our carb and sugar intake, and this recipe that Crystal found online, she's cooked it once for me and it was delicious. And we are doing a little bit of tinkering with it and changing the recipe a little bit just because. We will provide the original recipe below in the comments in the description area, and you can come along and watch us how we do the modified recipe tonight, which is really delicious. I think there's a total of 3, maybe 4 grams of carbs in the recipe total, and wanted to be able to share it with you guys as we're trying to cook healthy but also cook good food and not just eating cardboard, which some of these healthy food tastes like you're just eating cardboard. Wanted to give a shout out wearing a Papa Joe shirt. This is one of them that we got made probably about 2 years ago. It was one of the very first shirts that we made. Crystal suggested me wearing it tonight for the video and doing a little shout out. We've got a lot of videos up, or a lot of t-shirts up on Teespring. We have it linked in the about page on YouTube, so if you guys are interested in buying one of Papa Joe's shirts to support the channel, there's shirts up there. There's some coffee mugs, there's women's shirts, a little bit of everything up there. So we've also got the 2018 Christmas shirt up. If you've got any questions, feel free to let us know. Give us a thumbs up on this video. Let us know if you like the recipe. Other healthy people out there, let us know what your thoughts are. And so we're just cooking by our taste as well as cooking healthily. So come along on the adventure. Thanks. All right, so we're going to first start off and show you the recipe. It's very simple: cheese, heavy whipping cream, a sausage, and eggs. So we are doing a modified version because we are adding pepperoni to it. And then this is not your traditional smoked sausage. This is a Cajun one. But most importantly is, if you look at the back, it's only got 1 gram of carb. There it is. So, and then the same thing with the pepperoni's only got 0 grams of carbs. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to blend these up to get them smaller. Then we are going to saute them and cook them up a little bit. We're going to melt in cheese, get that good and melted. Then in a bowl we're going to add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, and we're going to do between 10 and 12 eggs in the recipe. We're probably going to do 12 just to finish this flat out. And then we will preheat the oven at 350 degrees, and we'll cook it in the oven for about 45 minutes in a 13 by 12 cake pan. Oops. So we're going to do a 13 by 12 cake pan, and it makes a quiche type thing. I don't know what you would call it. If you know the name of this dish or roughly what kind of meal it would be, we're calling it a sausage quiche or an omelet. I don't know. We're not big foodies, but it's delicious. All right, we'll be back. All right. So you're going to see that in a lot of my recipes, I really love my Ninja blender, and I love my KitchenAid blender and processor. So we've got the blade attachment. When you get this attachment, it comes with plastic blades and real blades. So we've got roughly probably a cup of pepperoni, and all I'm doing is stuffing the sausage in there, and we're going to hit blend on it, and we're going to blend it up, then saute it. So since it is so loud, I am not going to torture you guys with it, but I will bring you back in 1 second. Alright, so here it is coming back. I know on camera it looks like a paste, but it's actually not. It's got some really good texture and consistency to it, and we're going to fry it down. The wife is telling me I shouldn't have sprayed the non-stick pan. She says the meats and the sausages have enough oil in it to do it on its own. That last time she cooked it, she didn't do sausage or oil.
Oh, yeah.
So we're going to fry this up for a few minutes and we're going to bring you back. Alright, we're back. So this is our meat cooked up. Crystal wanted me to show you we're using a different type of sausage and we're using pepperoni. So as we were cooking it, you see all this grease come off. Off camera, we're going to try to get a lot of that grease off so it's not so greasy. Then we're going to add the cheese to this. And then once that's cooked, we are going to combine 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, and we're going to mix that in with our 10 scrambled eggs. Crystal also pointed out to me that I can't count, and that in that previous shot, if you scroll backwards, you're going to see that there's 10 eggs in that cart for those 2 rows, not 12. So I can't count worth the crap. So anyway, we're going to mix this all together. We will bring you back as we get ready to assemble it. I got some grease to take care of. Alright, so we've gotten the meat moved over here. This is the meat mixture, the 10 eggs, cheese, about 1 cup of cheese, and then there is also the
whipping cream.
Whipping cream, the heavy whipping cream, 1 cup. So she's gotten it mixed down. She broke up a lot of the bigger chunks because you want it kind of finely broken up and evenly distributed. And she's going to dump it into the pan. I've greased. This is a normal 11 by 13 pan, and it just gets dumped in. You see the consistency. Good job, my love.
Always good.
Alright, so this is now in there. It's even. This puffs up quite a bit. She's going to add probably, I don't know, I'm horrible at guesstimation. She's just going to cover the top. Probably a 1/4 cup of additional cheese to it. Now keep in mind, if you've got a gas stove or at different elevations, whatever, there's a bunch of variables when it comes into cooking. So just keep in mind that the 40 minutes at 350 that I tell you is going to be variable
45 to 50 minutes.
Okay, see, I even got it wrong. 45 to 50 minutes. And we're going to put that in the oven.
Okay.
Alright.
Preheated already, right?
Yep, it's already preheated.
350?
Yep.
Thank you.
Alright. So she is going to set it down on the middle shelf. And we are going to start our timer for 45 to 50 minutes. Alright, you don't need to watch us set this. We'll be back. Alright, we are back. It has cooked for exactly 45 minutes. This is the way it turned out. That's delicious. It's nice and warm. Crystal.
It's hot.
It is very hot, but it smells delicious. The first piece is always the hardest to get out. A mess is about to happen.
Nope.
Ah, she saved it. Alright, so you can see the meat and the sausages down in there. You can see how it's nice and caramelized. You saw the bottom of it. There's not any grease left in it, and it is just ooey gooey delicious.
It's hot.
It's hot, but it's good. Put a little spicy mustard on it, and it's delicious. Anyway, if you guys try this video, let us know how it turns out for you. Let us know what you think of it. Give us some likes and thumbs up, and subscribe. Hope to hear some comments from you guys. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.